So you have a front flappy, loose, old shock, and you want to replace it with a fresh, new stiff one. Not a problem. You don't even have to jack up the car. Actually, it's better if you leave it on the ground. You will need two socket sizes, 1/2 inch and 9/16, or 40mm should work for that too. Next, go under the front suspension and you should be able to see these nuts. Next, take them out with 1/2 inch socket. After that, go back up top and using the same 1/2 inch, take out these two nuts. Then switch to 9/16 and take out these three nuts. Once that is done, take out the top and wiggle the shock out. Toss the old shock out into the recycling bin since it's mostly steel. Slip the new one into these two holes at the bottom. And then tighten all 7 nuts. And you're done. Please subscribe and hit notification button for more cool car videos. Have an outstanding Mustang day and I'll see you guys later.